Hey YouTube, this is Scott. I want to do a quick unboxing of my 12 volt batteries I just ordered on eBay. Got two, actually 4 power reels accumulating in my house, and none of them are working, so let's get these things going.
Okay, cool. Yeah, they're individually packed. Pretty cool absorbent pad inside. Let's see, these are about 25 bucks a piece. And here they are. Mighty Max battery. It's cool. Pretty soon I'll get a charger on them. We'll see where they came in at. Check it out. Okay, YouTube, here it is, the 12 volt Mighty Max battery from eBay. Got my new crimpers. Picked up this 30 amp inline fuse from AutoZone. Then I got these little quick connects. They actually fit right on, man. It's perfect. We're gonna hit up this little Jeep here, see if we can't get it running. Okay, so the connectors fit right on the battery terminals like a dream come true, so get the blue ones. And I just cut the wires, crimped them on, and boom, we're going, people. Yay, it's working.